is Kwahish, and I am going to show you this Lego lock I made. So, all by myself. So, this is the key over here, which you keep through this hole. And right now, this block or thingy is not getting out. So, if I were to place the key inside, it would get out. So, right now, I'm going to keep the key inside. So, right now, it's not getting out. So, yeah. I keep the key and I do that, and then it gets out, and then I can just keep it back in, and if I remove the key, it gets stuck again.
Okay.
So just I want to show you inside. So okay, this is kind of breaking. So inside, oh come on, there. Okay, inside you can see that there is a there's a thing over here. So zoom in the image. Like, come over here, so you can see a block. Come on here, Mom's doing way better on the camera. Alright, so over here you can see that there's a wedge. So when this goes over here, this traps the wedge, and you can't really and it goes between the wedge, like over here. And then since there's these things over here, it's not like really like it's not moving. And then when I keep the key, the thing which is moves up, and then that causes this, and that causes the wedge to be like, it could just come out, and then you could just keep it back in if you want. And then yeah, now it's stuck again.
Yeah,
because the thing is like right through. So then I'm just gonna go back to closing it. So basically the key part, this part of the key is basically lifting up the rectangular Lego piece. So yeah, so I'm gonna just show you again how it works, and then here, and then now I need the key to, of course, keep it back in. So I'm gonna just wait. I need to keep right there. So yeah, that's how you do it. This is how it is. Or if you were to look, take a view, and then there's the back, and yeah, that's about it.
thank you.
Thank you for listening. Please subscribe.